Hello everyone. So if you want to change the SSN on your Cash App account, then there is a couple of methods that I'd like to talk about. All right. So first of all, there is no official way to change your SSN. So I've confirmed it on this, and you can try talking to support, but as far as I know, the support won't be able to do anything, and I'm pretty sure you won't be able to change it even if you get in touch with the support. So what you can do, I have actually found the best possible solution from here. So to change the SSN number on your Cash App, you'll have to open another account, all right? But you don't have to like get a new cash tag. You can use your old cash tag from the other account to the new account that you've opened. So what you have to do is like you can keep the same cash tag, but you need to add a second email address to your current account and a secondary phone number. Then you can access it when it sends a code. All right, just then open a new account. Then you contact the support, or you just call the Cash App support team and tell them that you want to use your old cash tag from your old account to the new account. Before that, you have to add the this secondary email address. You will be opening the second Cash App account using this email address and use that as a secondary mail on your old account. All right. I hope this part is clear. Then they will verify some questions, like ask you some questions to verify both of your accounts. So once they have verified it, you can use your old cash tag with the new account. And make sure you know which email address and phone number are in which account. It's very easy to get confused. And they should be able to get manager approval to close the old account and give you the cash tag of that old account. So that's the legal way, all right? And also this time make sure to use your actual SSN correctly when you are creating the new account. Now some say that Cash App doesn't allow you to transfer cash tags, but that's not the reason here. You can easily do it if you follow this step right here. All right. And if not, if you can like try the live chat option in the app, but I don't think they will respond that quickly. And as far as I can tell, Cash App, this happened. So that's it. To recap, there is no way to change your SSN. You'll have to create a new account by following the steps that I've said and close the old one, keep the cash tag number, then use that cash tag number on your new account. And that's it. And I'll see you in the next video.